You have a project that starts on the 2nd of May 2022 and it ends on the 4th of September 2025. How many months or days do you think the project duration is? Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate the difference between two dates. We'll be able to determine the number of years, months, and even days between two dates. Let's get started. This is a list of contracts or projects being carried out by a construction company. Now, if you look at the table, you see it's very straightforward. You have the title of the project and you have a list of projects here. And then you have the start date, the project start date, and then you have the completion date. What we're trying to work out now is the duration. Now, the duration could be in terms of years, months, or maybe even days. Okay, so to do this or to achieve this, we are going to use a special Excel function called DATEDIF. Now, DATEDIF will make it possible for us to get the duration in days, months, or years. So let's see how it goes. We're going to type the function. Now, like every other function or formula, we type it at the location where we want the results to be. So we come here and then we want to know how many years this project duration is. So we type equals date diff bracket open, and then we click on the first date and a comma, and we click on the second date and a comma. The next thing we going to type is Y, because we want to know the duration in terms of years. So we're going to type Y. The Y has to be in quotes. So we type Y in quotes. It doesn't really matter if it's a small letter Y or a capital letter. This is not case sensitive, so it won't make any difference. And then we close the brackets and press enter. You see that this project will last 2 years. Okay, so we then drag the fill handle downwards. Okay, and then it does the same for the other projects. This is going to take 7 years. This is 3 years, 1 year, 2 years. Okay, so now let's take a look at the duration of the projects in terms of months. So we go to months and then we type the function. So equals date diff bracket open. We click on the first date, a comma, the second date, a comma, and then we're going to type we're going to type M because this is for months. So the M will be in quotes also. Okay, and then we close the brackets and press enter. You see that this project will last 24 months. So we drag the fill handle downwards, and the same is calculated for the other ones. Some are going to last for 84 months, 24 months, 34 months. And then we're going to now take a look at how many days these projects duration really is. Okay, so now to do that, we go to the days. So let's type the function again. Equals date diff bracket open. We go to the first date and the comma, the second date and a comma. In this situation, we want to know the days. So we're going to type D in quotes. So D. Okay. And then we close the brackets and press enter. You see that this is the number of days the contract is going to last, or the duration. So let's drag the fill handle downwards so that it's going to apply to all the other projects. Now we know the exact number of days each of these projects is going to last or take. And then we also know the exact number of months and years. Okay, so in order to achieve this, we use the DATEDIF function. Okay, a very important function. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye for now.